You're watching Screw It on SuppleWine. I'm your host, Mike Supple, here in Paris right now. Show a little of the Parisian architecture just down some random back alley. Of course, yep. A lot of the buildings made out of old limestone. These haven't been cleaned in a while, so they're very, very dark. But what I want to show you is the difference in how they handle wine in France as opposed to the United States. Here's a random little deli, little bar, and their wine list is posted on the wall. Le vin is wine, and then they list their wines. They just list by their region. Saint-Emilion, Médoc, Margaux, Moulis, Saint-Estèphe. These are all regions in Bordeaux. They got Bourgogne, Burgundy. Then they have Vin de Loire, just random wines from the Loire. Côte du Rhône, Beaujolais, Bordeaux, Champagne, and Liqueur. So essentially, this is their list. Where in the U.S. we're very hung up on exactly what grapes we're drinking and exactly what's in those wines. The French are more concerned with the region, and every region gives a very specific style of wine. So they don't talk about what's in it. They don't even talk about the chateau or where the wine comes from. They just talk about the region because, certain parts of Bordeaux give you a certain essence and a certain flavor. Certain parts of Burgundy give you a certain Burgundian style. And that's how they do wine. Very different from the U.S., but a lot of fun. Just fun to go out and explore. Every random bar will have a different selection of wines. You just try out what works and find regions that you enjoy.